I got a clothing haul for y'all. I got a clothing haul for y'all. It's from Ross and Rainbow. It's from Ross and Rainbow. Check your girl out. Hey, check your girl out. Hey. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexus Nicole here. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're doing a clothing haul. I bought clothes from Ross and Rainbow because they just opened back up and they had like a super huge major big sale. So your girl went and got some clothes. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. Hey, hello, how you doing? If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel for more videos if you want to check your girl out. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with clothes from Ross because I really didn't find anything. Y'all, when I tell y'all Ross was empty, it was empty. Like, they literally just opened up 2 days ago and there was nothing in there. Like, most of their stuff was like under $8, and I bought some stuff, but not what I wanted. But we're just gonna we're about to get into what I bought from Ross. I only bought like maybe 5 things, so let's just get into that and then we'll go into the rainbow clothes. Okay, y'all, so disclaimer, I am a size large. I'm a size large, extra large. In pants, I wear 15, 16, or extra large. My boob size is a 38C. I don't know my measurements for my waist and my hips, but just so I can let y'all know I am a size large, extra large. And if I do any other measurements, I'll leave them right here, or they'll be in the description box down below. So if you want to know what size I am, go ahead and check that out. Okay, so the first thing that I bought is this, like, what is these called? Cameo, one of these things. It's like a cover-up kind of, sort of. I forgot what you call it. I can't really remember what you call these things. But I bought this. It's in the color green. It's see-through and it has like this pretty design on it. It's just, you know, yeah. It's long at the bottom. I'll show y'all when I put it on. And this was $8, $8.99. Okay, so let me just try this on for y'all. Don't worry about this. I have something that's, anyway. Okay, I forgot what you call these things, but it's pretty long. Let me see. Like, jump. It don't go all the way to the bottom, but it's pretty long enough for you to like put a cover up on, or if you want to like wear like a bodysuit like I have on now, you can definitely put that on. It's really pretty. It's see-through at the back. Really cute, really springtime, summertime, like, it's cute. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this cardigan. This is the cardigan. I got this from Ross as well. This was $9. The original price was $20, so it was like 50% off. I could not give this up. Like, I just couldn't. Like, this is so comfy, so cute. You can see at the sleeves, they like really knitted and soft. Like, y'all, I could not miss this. It has pockets in the front. This is so cute. It kind of goes, let me see if I can tilt my phone. It kind of goes like past right here to my thigh. But I love it. Like, I honestly, but I love this. I honestly love it. It's so pretty, so soft. Like, I can literally wear this around the house and just lounge around in this if I want to. I love the colors. I love the detail, how soft it feels, and it's just amazing. Like, if they had more of these, I definitely would have bought them. Like, yeah, I definitely would have bought them. So that's this sweater. At the bottom, there's another like layer. So okay, so the next thing I got from Ross is this cute top. It's green. I told y'all I was gonna be seeing a lot of green. But it's green and it has some sleeves on it, and it's kind of like twisted right here. So let me just go ahead and try this on for y'all. So here's what the shirt looks like. It's really pretty. I got this in a size large. This is the shirt. It's really cute. I will wear this with some high-waisted jeans just because it's kind of like tight fitted right here at the bottom, and it's kind of short. So I probably wear this with some high-waist jeans, or if you wanted to, you could wear this with some slacks. And yeah, it's really cute, really girly. It's cute because I like the green. So yeah, this is the shirt. All right, so the last thing I got from Ross is this cute shirt. Y'all, I don't know if y'all know about Star Wars, but I am in love with the baby Yoda. Look at him. This is so cute. It says, "Me when my song comes on." Y'all, I love him. Like, I'm literally obsessed with this little guy. Y'all, look at him. He is so cute. And then got Star Wars right here. Yeah, I could not pass this up. I don't know if it came like this. I think somebody tied this like this, but I would definitely like tie this shirt and like dress it down, make it look like real tomboyish or whatever. Or I can put some jeans on and put some heels on. I don't know. Yeah, but I just had to buy this. Like, even if I don't dress this up, I'm definitely gonna wear this to bed or something. So yeah. So let's just get into the rainbow stuff. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Rainbow is this pretty dress. This was $13. It's really cute, really long, and it's spaghetti strap, and it has like this slit on the side right here. So let me go ahead and try this on for y'all and show y'all what this look like. Okay, so here's the dress when it's on. It has these ribs in it. I'll put a video on how the dress looks somewhere on the side so y'all can see the whole thing. But it's really cute. I got a size large. I could have got a medium because it is kind of like stretchy, but it does give me some room because it kind of creates that, you know, little thingy in the back. So I'm gonna just pull it up and do it like that. But they don't have adjustable straps, but that's okay because the straps are stretchy, so they'll fit anybody. But yeah, guys, this is this dress. On to the next one. Okay, so the next thing that I got from Rainbow is this jumpsuit. It's a gray one. I have the pink one in already. I ordered the pink one from Fashion Nova, and that was like $20. Guess how much this was? This was $12. The same thing, same jumpsuit, just a different color. I got this in a size large. So let's see how this gray one fits. So this is very comfortable. It's very cute, very stretchy. It has strings right here at the waist so you can tie it if you want to. They don't come all the way down to my knee, but that's okay. I'm not really tripping. They do have pockets, so that's really cute. It's very like t-shirt jersey feel. I love how the sleeves are thick. So it can cover my bra straps if I decide to wear a bra strap. If I decide to wear a bra. The back looks really nice. It's just a swoop back. The pants fit great. I love the color. Very cute, very comfy. But yeah, it's very soft. I have no complaints about this. It's really cute. If you want one and you got a rainbow around you, don't buy it from Fashion Nova. Go to Rainbow because they have all colors and all sizes. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got is another like lounge cardigan sort of type thing. This was $17, 25% off. Y'all do the math. But it's in this really pretty mustard yellowy, what's the word? Yellowy. I don't know. It's cute and it's yellow. That's all that matters. But it's really pretty. Like I said, I'll show y'all how it looks like on the side. But the sleeves are long enough. I got this in a size large. I love the detailing on it. It fits really well. You can layer this. You can style this up, style this down, make it look sophisticated, make it look loungy, make it look bummy, whatever you want to do with it. I love stuff like this. They had a lot of their like fall stuff on sale, so I went ahead and, you know, snatched it up while I could. But it's really cute, and yeah, I like it. So I got a set. Honey. I got this in a size extra large. It's a green, olive green set. It's ribbed. Hopefully it fits. you know, this type of stuff, it stretches out a lot. So hopefully it fits my waist. And also it came with a top. You couldn't really switch the tops out, so I kind of hope that this fits how I want it to, or I'm gonna be pretty upset. So let's try this on. All right, so just from the jump, I can tell that this shirt is too big. It's too big. This top is an extra large, so it's fitting kind of tankish instead of tightish. The shorts are really nice. I wish they had pockets. I don't know. I like the set. It's more of a comfy type of set than like going out. I would wear this to wear errands. I really wouldn't wear this to like dress it up per se. But it is cute. It's very, very stretchy, very, very ribby. I don't have a problem with that at all because it is cute. But yeah, that's this set. Real cute, real simple, real cash. So yeah, on to the next. Okay, so the rest of the stuff that I have is just like tank tops and t-shirts. That's it. Really like basic stuff. So the first basic thing that I got was not really basic because it got a little touch to it, is this pink shirt. It's really pretty. I don't know if y'all can see the color. So it's this pink shirt and it has like scrunchies on the end. So let me go ahead and try this on for y'all. Okay, so this is the shirt. As you can see, it's really cute. Really fun, but really basic. It's pink, like I said. Sorry if y'all see dust flying everywhere. I should have got this in the medium because I didn't think it was gonna fit big like this. But that's okay, I'm not really tripping because you can always make it work. I have this also in white, and I'll show y'all what that looks like on this side over here. So the last thing that I bought from Rainbow is just a whole bunch of these tank top shirts, which I thought were really cute. These were only $3, so I bought like 5 different colors. I have black, I have gray, I have yellow, I have white, and I have this color. So let's just see what these look like on, hunty. So this is what these shirts look like. Just really cute, really simple, really casual. You can dress these up, dress these down, wear these to bed, wear these to wherever you want to. I love simple stuff like this because you can really just put them with anything. You can really wear them with anything. So they're just really cute. They're not cropped, but they're not long either. So yeah, I got these in a size large. I could have sized down, but I think I'm okay. I'll just put another bra with this to make my boobs look scrumptious and lose some weight in my stomach, and I'll be okay. But I'm gonna put the colors of the rest of them here so y'all can see what they look like. They're a rib material, so very stretchy. They have a V-neck right here in the front, which are really cute. I love the what is this called, the straps. They're not too thin, really thick, so you can hide your bra strap if you want to. The back is really nice. So yeah, I love these little tops because they literally go with anything. Right now I just have them on with some biker shorts. So really comfy, really loungy, you know. Yeah, but that's all that I have for y'all. I have no more clothes, so let's just wrap this thing up. So yeah, guys, that's all that I have for y'all today. Thank you all for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, thank you for watching. If you watched all the way to the end, hope you all are at home, being healthy, being blessed, staying safe, taking precautions when y'all going out. But y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link down below to all of my recent videos so y'all can go check those out if you want to check your girl out for more videos. But other than that, talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.